Hello food lovers, it's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're doing great. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious crunchy onion chin chin. Guys, you're going to love this chin chin recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I walk you through. It's easy, simple, delicious and tasty. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. It's very important you sift your all-purpose flour to trap, dirt and unwanted particles. So make sure you sift your flour. It's very important. Next, you add sugar, salt, grated nutmeg, baking powder, then you combine the dry ingredients together. Next, add your margarine, then you rub in the margarine in the flour. Make sure you incorporate the margarine in the flour very, very, very well. So next we have onion here. Like guys, we are making onion chin chin. So what I'm doing is to grate the onion. As you guys can see, I'm using a grater and I'm using the smaller part of the grater. So that aside, make a hole, then break in the eggs. Add the grated onion. Add milk. Then you mix everything together. You continue to mix until you get a non-sticky dough. Guys, when you're mixing, you'll be tempted to add water, but don't. Just keep mixing. As you guys can see, our dough is well formed. and non-sticky. And this is what we want. Transfer to a flat surface and knead for about 10 minutes. This kneading process is also very important. So knead for about 10 minutes. So this is how our dough is looking like. Hope you guys are seeing this. Yeah, we are good to go. So cut the dough, then flatten with a rolling pin. Then you cut to your desired shapes and sizes. I'm using a wheel cutter. You can use anything that works well with you. Just cut to your desired shape and sizes. Guys, you're going to love this chin chin recipe. It was, flavorful, crunchy, soft, and tasty. Like, you're going to love it. So if you've not, tried out onion flavored chin chin, this is a go-to recipe. You should try out, guys, and you're going to love it. Guys, you're going to enjoy this recipe. So repeat the same process until you exhaust your dough, okay? And for the recipe measurements, check the description section below to get the recipe measurement, okay? So like I said, repeat the same process until you exhaust your dough, like until you finish cutting the dough. So guys, this is it, okay? Throw in some onion for flavor, more flavor. Then you put in the chin chin dough and start frying. Okay, make sure you heat up your oil, okay, on low medium heat. Don't fry it on high heat, okay? So once you throw in the onion, then you add the chin chin dough and start frying, and stir at close intervals. Please fry on low medium heat, okay, to enable the chin chin come out pretty good, okay? So it's done when it's golden brown, as you guys can see. Guys, are you seeing that chin chin, how it's popping? So transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Leave to cool completely. You can store in an airtight container, okay? and enjoy. Guys, you're going to love this chin-chin. It's so delicious. Whoo! Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day and make sure you try this out. Bye!